Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Ben Gaming, and today we are going to be playing SnowRunner with my friend Daniel and exploring Alaska. And hopefully not failing at it. So, yeah, let's get running. He's in his car Marshall, I'm in my Chevy 6x6, so let's get going. And I think we're going to head down to the port, I think. Is that right? Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to head to the port, because, I haven't got the fastest truck here, remember? Yeah, we both haven't, we really need some chain tires, but he can't, yeah. That's a lot of damage! Stop driving like a maniac. Why don't you let me go first?
Yeah, because, I don't really know where I'm going. I haven't really played this game before.
Yeah, because we think there's a truck near the port, and I think it's quite a good one. So we're gonna head down there and check it out. But we think it's in a swamp, so which could be bad because yeah, these are like nearly stock trucks. So I mean, his has got like mud tires, and I've only got off-road ones. So
yeah, I just keep skidding on the icy road.
then again, I'm a 6x6. I mean, this thing's really slow. This thing's slow as so. Just driving down the road.
Just give me time.
What are you doing?
It's because I don't have chains, okay? I span out into...
Neither do I. I have off-road tyres. But I don't drive at 1,000,000,000 miles an hour like you. I've got a completely stock engine and gearbox. Jeez.
I lost my fleet star back in Michigan.
You lost your fleet star in Michigan. How did you do that? You lost your... Well, hopefully we won't...
I didn't retain it. I didn't
Oh.
Stop crashing into the snow.
Well, you did... Where are you? There. Alright. It looks like there's some rocks up here. But... Up here down the road, but... Yeah, hopefully they're not blocking the road. It looks like they're on the side of the road, so... Whoa! Okay.
I think it's a bridge, and it looks a bit broken, so I'm gonna...
Uh-oh, okay.
Probably gonna want to avoid that.
Yeah, okay. Well, let's try and avoid that.
I need chain tires.
I know. You can't even get chains on that thing. I can actually get chains, at least.
Yeah, but you're not... I'm guessing you aren't a high enough rank yet?
No! I'm level 2. Hey! Bridge repair. Okay, I'll accept that then.
Oh no! I just damaged my suspension by 2.
So I do have some repairs and fuel on my roof rack, but not the... Alright, yeah, we've got... Hopefully this river is shallow. It looks quite shallow, and I'm just going to go past here. Stop! The rocks are going to destroy your suspension, by the way. I've got a 6x6. This is capable of everything. Yes.
I've got like this Jeep thing.
We've got a little Jeep, and I've got a big 6x6. You know?
Which I wish I had.
Yeah, I know. Sorry, guys. There we go. Okay.
That river's quite... I don't know what you need a bridge to. Yes, I do know one.
Okay. Well, yeah. Why would you even need a bridge for that? I mean, don't actually really think it's necessary. Okay, let's go. Let's go. The pod's just down here. I don't think either of us can have trailer, so otherwise we probably would have had a fuel trailer, but none of it.
When we get onto the terrain, I should be all good.
Yeah, I've had 4-wheel drive on this whole time, because if not, it's front wheel drive.
I may have I think I accidentally just went too fast to hit the barrier on the side of the road.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, yeah, I have got some repairs, as I was saying, but not that many. Because I forgot to put the stuff in the bed. I only put the big roof rack on. I want to see what's down here, you know?
How did you get the trucks to repair supplies?
Sorry, I forgot.
Repair supplies.
I haven't got a high gear. That's annoying.
Neither am I. It's really annoying.
Yeah.
I just want to cruise down in high. Why am I struggling on the mud? Because this thing's supposed to be
Maybe it's because it's a basically stock Jeep with just the world's biggest tires. What are you doing? You're all over the place.
I've got a sticker in my truck called "Don't Eat Yellow Snow."
Oh, I've got a Holland Stepney, man. What way do we go? Left or?
I've dug a big ditch in the snow.
Right, I think we carry on going forwards because there's a bigger turn off, which I think we should go left because I think there's a big snow hill that I reckon we can't go up. So I reckon we need to turn left.
I reckon these things, because they're like kind of stop and then saying that I haven't got much.
Oh yeah, we've both got, yeah, I've got off-roads, you've got mods, and I've just got the world's weakest engine. Why is this engine so weak?
That hill looks
Can you wait up?
quite hard, so I'm going to take this left here.
I've got a V6.
Okay, I'm going to wait
I've
up
got a
to you.
4-litre V6.
I've
This
got
is
that
not
one
powerful
with
enough.
fuel.
I need like a V8 or
I've got
something.
one repair, and that's a spare tyre.
Yeah, I've got 4 spare wheels, even though there's only 2 on the roof rack. Wait, can you go? Oh, one's good.
Let you go first.
Okay, thank you.
And you know where you're going.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Done my
like I
research,
said,
you know.
Once I get enough money, I'm going to buy some more things, like, yeah.
Come
I could put the
on.
season pass, because then I actually have like a free truck. I don't have to pay for, you know.
This isn't even this isn't even included in the season pass, so
Yeah, I know, it's a DLC, isn't it?
yeah, it's just a separate DLC. So, come on, come on, pack, come on. Yeah, that's like the world's biggest hole through there. Come on, yes, second gear. Come on, go into third, yes, third gear.
Yeah, then think about if you're think the terrain's tough here, then go to Russia. You'll see how.
Yeah.
Oh, that'll be.
Yeah, we think the terrain's bad here. What about when we go to Russia? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'm sure that was a swamp, but I just didn't know. I didn't think it was going to be that big. I knew there was a swamp somewhere.
Do you mean to go tackle it?
Don't go straight through the middle. Why did you not just go around the side like me? Oh, I'm going to have to winch. Come on.
I can put diff lock on.
Oh, I hit a tree. I've got always on diff lock.
Apparently there's rumored to be a truck around here.
I think there is, yeah.
I hope there is.
I'm going to cut back onto the road here now. I'm going to use low gear. I've got always on diff lock, so I don't need it. See, this is why you don't go right through the middle of a swamp. Right, let me come tow you out. I need to reverse. Really?
Yeah, I'm all good. I'm moving.
Oh, okay. This is pointless of me turning around. I want to see what's up there, but that looks like a really steep, really muddy, or icy, really high, incline. That looks hard, and I reckon in them trees is probably somewhere where they'll hide a truck. And I think it was in trees where I saw it, so because I saw it on a video, and I think it was in trees. But I know it's somewhere around the swamp, and that would be probably in there or in there would be a good place to hide a truck, considering though you could probably get barely anything up that steep slope. In fact, not really that many things could actually get through the swamp. Come on, let's go! This thing's a beast! Oh no. I'll help you up. I'll help you up.
Surely the Jeep. Oh my, this is deep mud.
Yeah, I know.
How deep this is.
I know, it's so deep. Oi! There is a truck there! Let's see if I can. I witched to it. Hey! Royal BM17. Wait, let me try change to it. Wait, I'm gonna stop my engine and change to it. Let's go. Oh! My engine's stalling.
Alright, it's got a broken engine.
Yeah. There's a flamethrower! Oh, the engine's stalled. Flip. Oh, come on. Let's go a flamethrower.
I'm gonna tell you a catch that.
Okay. Look, I got a flamethrower.
A bit of room, you know.
The horn's good. The engine keeps on stalling, but I've got a flamethrower. Oh, the gears just slipped into neutral. That isn't good. Look.
I tell you we recover that thing.
Yep.
Optimization we can do.
Yeah, let's recover it. Wait, let me quickly go get my Apache back.
Recover my Jeep.
I'll just put my Apache in storage for now. Right, customization.
I don't have enough.
No engine. Actually, there is one engine upgrade, but it makes the fuel consumption worse, and it doesn't make any power to weight. So I won't get that. No gearboxes, no suspension. You can get better tyres. I'll get them second ones. No winches, no spare tyre or snorkel though. I'll sell the old one. And yeah, I'll get a flatbed. Oh, bobblehead. That. Take my winch and that. Right. Oh, haven't actually been over this. Get
I
that.
think that's not a fuel station on the map.
Take that off. I don't like that. And put that on. Get that exhaust. Actually, no, I'll keep the stock one. Oh, I can sell that. And rims. I'll get them ones. Okay. Look at this. Does it do flamethrower normally? Oh, it doesn't. That's it.
Oh, you've got a flatbed.
Yeah, I got a flatbed truck.
I'm probably going to go back to my Michigan soon and get my fleet started.
Oh my. Is there anything we can do that involves using a flatbed truck? Pipeline construction. Yes, that looks easy. Okay, so we'll go do that.
I'm gonna head exploring. It looks like I saw.
Okay, yeah, you go exploring. I'm gonna do this mission.
Whatever you do, don't turn right. I literally just would have got smacked.
Well, I went left, so. What do you mean down the road, or? This truck's quite smoky. Ah! Took a load of damage. Probably has quite a lot of
You
bit.
might take the route on the ice lake. It might be a bit risky, but I'm
Don't have chains. Then again, I literally have highway tyres on this, so. Whoa, I'm all over the place. I can't even get all-terrain tyres. I'm just stuck on highway tyres.
I might sell all my trucks and I might head to Russia to buy a certain truck.
Okay, right. I'm not getting the cargo to serve spare parts. Oh, that fills up the bed really nicely. You know? Right, let's go. Beep, 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 beep. Let's go, let's go.
So easy. Yeah, as I was saying, I'm probably going to head to Russia and buy a Russian truck because
That thing is Russian. You already have a Russian truck. That thing is Russian. So.
Yeah, but this is like, you can't do any like car.
Oh yeah, I know. You can't even have a trailer with it. That is just annoying. I think they went. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Just did a drift.
What time it's done a wheelie?
Just did a wheelie. How'd you do a wheelie? What?
My front tyres hit a rock and I was on an ice lake and it made me
Oh.
do a wheelie. So.
Okay. Alright, well, we're nearly delivered to that, so.
This thing does make its own path if it can't find one. I must say.
Oh. It doesn't look like it's performing too good, but that might just be because it's got no upgrades. Also, it's packed with cargo. So.
Yeah, I feel like you should.
Yeah, because this snow is quite deep.
Rank? Maybe your.
Yeah, I need to get a higher rank. Let's go, let's go.
Yeah, maybe we can get some off-road tires or like all range or something like that. That would help us more.
Some chains, I think. I think we need some chains. You know?
Oh, yeah.
Cargo delivered. Right, let's go.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Well, that will do it for this video. See you in the next one. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.